It is August. We don't have a microwave still. All that we have in our kitchen is one shitty fridge and one Hello Kitty toaster. It's not the worst thing in the world, but we love a microwave. We've been asking John Mace for one. He has said...
Look, the spot would be perfect.
He has said for 8 months they are working on getting us a microwave. I don't know how you work on getting a microwave other than get the microwave.
Maybe he's building it.
Stage 5 has not one, but 2 microwaves. So we're gonna steal a microwave. And we're gonna do a heist. This is the short we did, but this is IRL. We are stealing a microwave. And we're gonna replace the microwave with a fake one.
I'm not me.
I'm not me!
Can we take a picture of the microwave and then print it out and tape it onto a piece of cardboard?
Got it.
Gavin, I have a question for you.
What's the question?
We're planning an elaborate heist, and I was wondering if I can employ Achievement Hunter's help. John Mesa said that there's a microwave coming to our office, but we still don't have one. So our plan is we're gonna steal the one from stage 5. But I was hoping I could recruit you guys to help create a facilities distraction.
What time tomorrow?
I don't know, we're still working on the plans, but I'll reach out.
Oh no.
What happened?
You can clearly see my reflection.
There's a reflection.
The only box that fits this is a chip box. And here's my fucking body on this. And who does the chip show? Me?
This is gonna all point to Christina. Perfect. Decoy microwave.
Suck it, John.
So Chad wants to steal a microwave. John Mace promised him a microwave. He never delivered. He has enlisted our help to distract John Mace so Core can steal Stage 5's microwave.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, John will hate this.
That's true.
Yeah, you make a fire. Just anything he hates.
start handing it around to people.
You should just walk up to him with a handful and be like, I need more.
Here's what we do. We go out behind the little patio area and we build our own fire pit.
Right, if John walks out and we have
for a
a
minute.
bucket of lighters and I'm going like this over it.
Yes.
You're gonna make him so mad.
He's gonna flip.
You know, light it from the bottom.
Oh, there you go, like crack style.
Yeah.
Oh, Michael's here.
Smashing some lighters? I'm glad he's
You
in.
walked in, he's like, I'm in.
So if we walk in with this,
And a flamethrower.
yeah, we're like, we didn't have fuel,
Like,
but
can we get
this
bounce up.
Yeah. These two walk up, they don't distract him, they go, caw, and he comes around the corner with a flamethrower.
Go get it.
Always keep a flamethrower.
No, it's not
I'm
a
sorry, It's
flamethrower,
not a
please.
flamethrower. So that right there is a conversation with John Mace.
That's true.
No, John, it's not a flamethrower. If we can like attach this,
Yeah.
Dude, can we gotta
we need to get like a paintball hopper
yeah.
and just pour it all in.
What's up, you little boy?
Oh, you guys got face.
What's up, RT Life? We've lined up a couple ideas to kind of really just irritate John Mace more than anything. I think that'll run the strongest distraction.
All right, so the way the heist is gonna happen is there's 5 phases to the heist. They're small phases, they're very small phases. Phase 1 is as follows. Barbara and Chad, you guys are gonna get in place to distract Hector.
Okay.
Because while AH is going to be getting John Mace, Hector's there as well, and we need Hector to go away. It's just simply, that's when Achievement Hunter, you guys are supposed to start your distraction. Our lookouts also have to get in place, and that's when you guys are going to put the temporarily out of order sign on the working microwave.
Sorry, smiley face.
Yes. You guys are going to be able to see the facilities and kitchen to be able to tell our thieves that the facilities are in fact empty and you can steal it. Once Barbara and Chad are in place, phase 2 is just simply Achievement Hunter, you guys are supposed to start your distraction. At the same time the distractions are happening, that's when you, Blaine, and Jessica are going to head over to stage 5 with the cart. Phase 3 is you guys have successfully gotten Hector locked up. Okay. You guys have given the okay to go ahead and steal the microwave. That's when you guys do the swap, and you swap our fake microwave for the real microwave. That's when you guys should have John here for sure, 100%. John should be somewhere not stage 5. Yeah. That's when the van's gonna get in place, and you guys are gonna exit with the microwave. when you get outside to the van, we're all getting in the van because the heists have to end in a van. Okay?
So wait, we just leave Hector locked in the cage?
Yes.
Hector's a resourceful young man who can find his way out. Last step is we drive the van to Bungalow E.
When does it stop?
Real soon.
Good question, guys.
3, 2, 1. Heist! Heist!
Heist! Yo, I gotta run up the stage.
Why did I call it? It's not even my plan.
You don't think they're secretly really clever and they're actually heisting us? 0% chance of that. Okay.
Get in there, girl.
We gotta figure out how to lock Hector away. Doesn't he do like martial arts?
He does. Does do martial arts.
Why are we the ones doing this?
Because we're very sweet and believable.
Okay, I'm in the car. Jessica, hand me the microwave.
Okay, got it?
Yep. Okay. I'm in the car.
There is a lock here. But I definitely do not know how to open it.
Hey, John. A lock like this, how do you lock it or unlock it? We're looking for a good padlock.
Oh, it's Bluetooth.
It's Bluetooth?
How's business?
Business is good.
Good.
Okay, we got our job. We got keys. Now we have to go find the van. I don't know what his van looks like.
Oh, go. It's time to go. He texted me. Yeah, go. I was like, I should probably check.
We are in position. Wait, how do we cue them? We don't cue them, they just go. Oh, God.
I need your opinion. Will this work in a flamethrower?
In a flamethrower?
Yeah. If we meticulously broke open each one of these.
I don't know. I'm not a flamethrower expert.
Say with a hammer.
You're as close as we have. Okay, yeah. No, well, I wasn't going to get to that point yet.
Oh, don't say with a hammer.
Yes, John. When we asked John, John checked it out. So just dropped off my truck.
I'm gonna call John. I'm calling John. Be like, give us the go.
It's really hot. I'm wearing
Yes.
3 layers of clothes.
Like 100 degrees out here.
It's going great.
No, it's a good setup.
Let's just kind of mosey over. Let's do it.
This is gonna be a little bit trickier than I imagined, maybe.
I got the go ahead. It's a go. It's a go.
Bonjour.
Just bringing some food in.
So what should be happening right now is Achievement Hunter should be distracting John Mace somewhere outside of the kitchen area, and Barbara and Chad should be locking Hector in the snacks lockup. That's Hector. Hector can't be in the lockup if that's Hector.
Right now, Drew's telling us to wait with the balls.
Hey. Oh, hey. Just bringing some lunch. Yeah.
He was supposed to be locked up. The plan's falling apart.
They have been in there for 5 minutes. This should have only taken like a minute. This is the point where I'm getting worried that we aren't actually good at crime.
Hello, Hector. This
Hello.
is Hector. We're trying to figure out what equipment is ours.
Sure,
for
sure.
sure.
Come on, John.
Good. Let's go, buddy.
Lead right back to him.
Come on, pal.
What's like all that stuff over there?
Here's what always happens. We do things, and then we get in trouble. So we tried to...
I don't.
What the hell's going on there?
I need you to know what this is.
Look, John.
Plausible deniability.
John.
You guys are weak.
Come on.
What are y'all doing? Hanging out, bothering John?
Take his chair.
We'll call you.
Same help.
No. What's going on in the Megadesk area? First and foremost.
Nothing's happening to the Megadesk.
And does it have anything to do with the people who are at the front of stage 5 right now?
No, it has nothing to do with anything.
Go in the cage.
How about I don't and I won't bother y'all for whatever y'all are going to do?
Okay, fine. He's a very strong man, and
have your
he also
word?
knows
Yeah.
martial arts.
Why don't what you two shake on it?
Here.
Seems like you're the only one that
can solve it. Wait.
Look, we don't feel safe without you here.
This is not Gordon.
There we
process
go.
is there.
Oh, there's lots of light.
Oh, I left my vodka.
Follow him. Good. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, this will be a challenge. There we go. Hey, we got over it. Nice.
I'm really sorry about this. I just pulled the camera.
Yeah.
They just told me to film things.
He's not part of the abduction.
Sam!
There we go. There
Why
we
did you say abduction?
go.
Hey, Sam, can you show us something in the cage?
Yeah, I'm gonna let him in the cage.
Yeah, go ahead. Is this just like the wall with cables?
What? I've been fucking distracted.
Go! This time it worked. Yes.
I knew it. I was like, Chad James doesn't ever ask me a fucking thing.
Do you want us to get you like a snack or anything?
Yeah, some Gordettos. Get some Gordettos and a Gatorade.
Do we have those here?
John Mace is gone.
He's gone.
We need your face to react to everything we do.
Right. Do you really need my face to react to everything? I don't think you do. I think
Well-
you're pretty successful without my face involved.
Should we call?
Do you want to call? Call Ellie. Do you have your phone?
No, I don't have my phone.
Well, I can't call if I'm gonna film it.
Fuck. Jessica, can you give me an update? He's telling us to stand down. The main thing is that it's super comfortable.
Don't overthink it. You missed.
Well,
You missed again.
dude, this is.
Oh! That was cool.
It exploded.
That was cool.
I need to do it again. I missed it.
Throwing them. Ooh, safety glasses. Everybody has glasses on except for me right now.
I was getting the reaction shot.
We are at 6 minutes.
Be careful, please. Please be careful.
Look at what it exploded.
Clean it up. Clean it up.
Hey,
Hold on. I said hold on. I left my chair out here. I'm not gonna leave my chair out here. Be right back. That's true.
This could have been you, Hector.
Yeah. Where is he?
What the?
He doesn't appear to be in there, but I'm not falling for this for 1 second.
Was this locked and unlocked?
I don't think so. No, Barb, this is classic prisoner shit where they hide and the guard goes, uh-oh, did he escape? And then they open it and they walk in there and they drop from something and knock you out. So instead, I'm just gonna throw these pretzels into the middle. Did he climb out over that bench?
I bet he fucking did.
I sure hope they're done.
Yeah, I don't care. This has turned into a whole other thing. I just like making videos with John.
Just a Tuesday.
Don't worry, Michael. Oh, John's protected.
I'm a little scared of it now.
The caps are probably gonna fly that way. Missed again.
Hey, there they are. There they are. Go get them. Here we go. Don't run over them. They have it. They have it. Get in the van. Get in the van. Get in, Drew. Get in, Drew. Just get in there. Go. Goose it. But at a moderate speed. We're in a parking lot.
Wait, where's the van? Oh my god. We have it.
The job's not done until the job's done.
We have to go to... Security's here. Security's here. Make a loop.
Yeah. Do it. Yeah, do a loop.
Okay, get out. With the microwave.
I got it. I'm the muscle.
What do I do?
Okay, we gotta go. We take his car back. This is not our car.
Oh, yeah.
Quick, Andrew, microwave something. My keys!
Pizza! Let's microwave some pizza!
All right, John.
No fires.
Thank you for being a part of this.
All right, and I just got a text that we're all good.
right.
So, John, thanks.
No,
thank you.
Go, pal.
Be safe. Make good choices.
It's a nice guy. I wish he liked us. Yeah. It's kind of like how Joker likes Batman, but he doesn't reciprocate.
We literally just had to physically roll John Mace away from his
He wasn't
desk.
moving.
No,
he was just like, I don't like you guys. I'm not moving. Go away.
But he going like,
They literally kicked off their other part of the plan and locked Hector in the cage while John Mace was still sitting there.
yeah, they got real sloppy.
well, I
they
was
were
like,
sloppy.
it was ugly.
I was going like, John, we got this bucket of lighters. Wow, where's the safest place outside? Blah blah. blah.
He was
And
like,
Ryan's
get away from me.
Yeah, he's like, get away. Ryan's
If
like,
we-
just show us. And he's like, just go outside to the left. Well done, guys.
He was like, is it Achievement Hunter Day? Like, why was Jack strolling out? And so, like,
Do we have time
I was
for
like, I'm
the
staying here 'cause I don't know which
TTT?
story it's coming to.
Yeah, we got time for a TTT.
Sons of bitches.
Did you get the microwave?
Hey,
Let's go.
You get it?
Where's my
So Chad wants to steal a microwave. John Mace promised them a microwave. He never delivered. He has enlisted our help to distract John Mace so Core can steal Stage 5's microwave, which we agreed to, but we didn't stop there, did we, Ryan?
No. We always like to take things a step further, and so we're using our misdirecting for them to misdirect for us to steal from them.
We're gonna flip the heist back onto Chad.
And you know why?
Why?
Because he didn't take the taco.
Remember Chad? Didn't
I
take a
remember
fucking
Chad.
taco.
Oh, Chad really fucked up the other
What
day.
a fucking insult. That guy, you want to
Yeah.
talk about put a fucking mark on your back. If you don't take the taco, we don't know we can trust you. How do we undo what he just asked us? Because he burned me. Unbelievably.
Michael had tacos from Torchy's, bean and cheese.
Oh,
and
dude,
ranch.
Michael does not f around with Torchy's tacos.
No, he
He gets
doesn't.
the good
Chad's like,
ones.
no, I'm going out to lunch, so I can't have a taco.
Him.
That was the mistake.
That's how we knew we couldn't trust him,
That was it.
because he didn't take the taco.
Yeah.
So they're gonna come over here in probably 20 minutes or so and be like,
Synchronize
all right,
your
you
watches.
guys ready? Let's make this plan. And we're gonna play it off like none of us give a shit except for Ryan and Jeremy. So Ryan and Jeremy are gonna be into it. I'm like, okay, we're gonna be the ones to distract. And then everyone else is gonna sit there like, get the fuck out of our office. As soon as they leave, that's when the actual heist begins.
What's that?
We are waiting for the all clear from our team Real Heist, to then give us the text to let us know that the bungalow is empty. Then we'll go do the real heist over there.
Do you have a mask?
We got our box. This is where all of Chad's stuff's gonna go. But inside here, we've got our masks. So no one will.
Put my mask.
Yeah, we got your mask.
Oh yeah.
Jesus.
I couldn't find one that fit my nose.
So,
Wait, is that gonna fit your nose? Wait, hold on. We got time. I like that. Are you gonna hold it the whole time?
I need a rubber band.
we can secure it to your head.
So
We'll do it over there. We'll do it over there.
Okay, ingredients in the box. We're just basically going up to Chad's desk, cleaning it out.
Okay, we're gonna empty this box with our masks. We're gonna get our mask on. All the gubbins are going in the box to make it easier to carry all out. We need 2 people.
Where do we stop? We take everything off
I
the
think
desk?
we
or
don't
take the
Stop
desk?
until we feel like we're filled.
Yeah, I think we have roughly about 2 minutes to get in and out.
Assignments. Scoop everything off the desk. You take box. You and I have a plan with a chair and a ceiling and a couple knickknacks. You guys, desk out the back door.
I've got the GoPro
He's got
prepped.
sticky-
I'm gonna put on Drew's desk so we can get
Yes.
Chad's reaction whenever he does come back.
I think I'll lead the charge into the building to make sure it's clear. I've been in there many times, so they'll recognize me. If it goes south, I will take one.
We can go around the back door, right?
Yeah.
Can we get it that way?
If it goes south, I will attack.
I'll walk in the front door.
Well, let Trevor go because Trevor's most likely to be in there. It makes sense.
Well, I also got Bernie, but I can always Bernie.
It's true.
Oh yeah.
But then be around for the back door in case it's open.
Okay.
Or it gets
So
open.
should I like quickly run a lap in the building, and then
Yeah.
when it's
Go now, go now.
Let's go.
I think it's clear in here. I believe Chad's room is right here. And you can tell because Drew's weird place head is right there. So all that. Okay, you ready? You ready? You ready? Oh, there they go. The idiots. Now, where are my boys at? Yes. Yes. Go! Fly! Was that a bird with them?
Crazy roadblock.
I saw that. I got so much good footage. He's right over here. That one. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, you're rolling. Let's go.
I want everything.
Where's the phone? I got it. Don't worry. I was filming. Get the.
We got it.
Where's the compact? That's what I'm doing. That's the one thing? No, that's what we live on. Jeff, moss down. Jesus. Look, easy down here. Wait, drawers.
Go, skateboard. Hey, smoke around, skateboard. Go. I'm ready to do that.
Here's one.
Lindsay, somebody grab the skateboard on the way.
Oh my God.
Let's go.
Ow. Ouch. There's still too much stuff left.
We gotta make sure it's clear when you're at the corner. Here, back here.
It doesn't fit. There we go. Okay. Gab, take that. What's this? There's a heavy laptop. Why is it so heavy? Oh man. This needs to go in the box. I need to get those drawers. Oh. This is more how it fit. This is much lighter. All right. We're gonna lose this fucking door. There's too many bands. Guys, I feel that was a good heist. That's pretty good. That was really good. Oh my God, it's hot. Did it not go in the ceiling? No.
I can't set the GoPro.
I carried that the whole way.
Oh my God.
The shells were so heavy, I just hit them.
You hit him?
I hit him in the office somewhere.
Look up.
All right, good job. Successful heist.
Guys, congratulations. That's how fucking professional team runs a heist. We heisted the heisters.
My first heist. Okay. Now we just.
Great job.
Now we wait.
If you're watching this now, go watch the other version of the heist where we play along. We're gonna go see how it's going right now.
Our part of the heist is done.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So you have it. It's all back there.
It's in our office.
Is everyone back over there?
Yeah.
The van one?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh, we missed that.
We missed the van. Did you miss the cart with the chef and a waitress?
No, we saw that. We saw Blaine and Jessica.
Okay, yeah, cool.
And Ellie hidden. All right. Should we go and see it? Should we go and see the
micro? Go see it. Go see it.
Okay.
We gotta burn the evidence.
I fucking knew it.
What?
They took Chad's
No!
Sons of bitches.
Motherfuckers! Oh!
Did they leave this here? Motherfucker!
Oh my God! Wow, those fuck faces.
This means war. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? This was gonna be the double cross heist.
I am so glad you left our office.
Yeah. Think ahead. You never trust achievement hunters.
What's up, Drew? How'd it go?
Did you get the microwave? I don't know where it is yet.
You don't know where the microwave is?
No, we have the microwave.
Oh.
The other thing. They took all of Chad's desk. You sons of bitches.
Good. I locked my office.
we saw that only half you came over here.
Guys,
Fuck you.
how'd it go? Would it go well?
Maybe you can eat it on Chad's desk.
We left something.
What's Jack got?
I don't know. Is that a keyboard?
forgot one thing. We forgot a painting yet. Everything's gone.
Dude, we're all good.
You guys left without us.
Got some good news and bad news. Good news is we got you some microwave pizza.
That's gonna be the easy thing to swallow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go to your office.
Go to Rufus.
Is this some sort of double prank?
I saw Jack leaving.
Motherfuckers!
There's a...
I stole my whole desk! I was wondering why Jack was out there. Were you guys in on this?
No, we talked to them.
They
Yeah.
just wanted to run into them.
I think they're inside somewhere.
God!
There
They stole everything!
If we were a chop shop on our end, we would have disassembled an entire Lamborghini in 30 seconds.
That's good.
Oh, it was so good. We just filmed his reaction.
Yes! Yes!
Do we have time for the TTT?
Yeah, we got time for a TTT.
Sons of bitches!
Did you get the microwave?
Hey!
Microwave, go! You get it?
Where's my desk?
Yeah, I don't know what happened to you, man. But next time, take the taco.
Should have taken the taco.
Ah, there it is.
Taking the taco.
There it is.
I just wanted to splash a little.
How did your heist go?
Ours went great.
Gavin, where's my desk?
Chad, wait, hang on. Here you go. This is for you. You can have this.
No!
Well, we made that
Oh,
for you.
God.
One piece at a time.
That's it.
You might find some of what you're looking for in there.
Oh my God. Is this my desk and chair? You remember, if Achievement Hunter ever offers you a taco, take it, whether you're hungry or not, or
That's
whether
the
you
moral of the
have,
story.
or whether you have lunch plans with your friends. Doesn't matter. Take it, or they'll
Really,
take
taco.
you.
Take the goddamn
Really, just
taco,
take the fucking taco.
Yeah.
That's it.
Bye.
Oh, I got it.
Be safe. Make good choices.